Hi guys, this is a follow-up video for the video I did last week on BTC. Now we have our confirmation already because I said that we want to see price coming to this fair value gap before we can sell. And on the 1 hour time frame, we have seen that price has entered our fair value gap yesterday, and we see a market structure shift at this level. So price has given us a sign that it will go bearish, and we're expecting to take our TP at this level, which is the second TP. So our first TP is going to be from this level, which is on the daily. So if you haven't watched that video, you should kindly watch the video so that you understand how I was able to come up with the buyers. But so far, we want to see price coming to this first TP, and also the second TP should be at this level. So this particular low here should be our second TP. So this is the daily time frame, and we see that we have price showing us a sign of going bearish again. So this is it. We have price created a swing formation, and we see price close inside the previous daily range. So we want to see price to continue bearish. So this week we're expecting this to be taken, this particular low to be taken as our draw on the liquidity. So on the 4 hours time frame, do we have a fair value gap here? No, we don't have a fair value gap, but we have seen a market structure shift at this level because we see a high and then a lower high and then a higher high, then a lower high. Then we see price enter into the level we want to sell from, and then we see price break structure, that is creating market structure shift, and we want to see price coming into this level. So you can mark the 4 hours candle and then look at the equilibrium of this 4 hours time frame. At this level we have fair value gap here, so we want to be selling from this level. This is the equilibrium, and then we want to be selling from this level. Just after the equilibrium or just at the equilibrium we can sell. So since there is no fair value gap here, we can go to 1 hour time frame, and then let's find our fair value gap. So on the 1 hour time frame we have this fair value gap. So if you have missed this entry, you can sell from this place and then wait for confirmation. Then your stop loss should be here, and then you can have your trade to this level. This is the first draw on liquidity for this week, and then if we take this, we have to wait for price to do whatever you want to do before continuing to the market. But however, you can also target this level. So guys, this is what we have on BTC. And again, to confirm this sell, you can go to Ethereum and check for SMT divergence to see if there is SMT divergence. So here on the interior, we have what we call the SMT. You see it? Price has created SMT divergence on the Ethereum. So remember, we see a failure sync before price creating a change in the state of delivery or market structure shift. So if you haven't watched that video, go and watch that video so that you have a better understanding on where BTC is heading to.